Today we are going to learn a new rule. Remember our house? Every house has a door, right? Every house has a door. I drew this house because every house has a door. You have to have a door. Every house has a door so you can open and close the door. Why do we need a door?
So that animals don't get in our house.
That's right. And a sentence has to be opened and closed just like a house. You have to close the door of your house, right? Which one is open? Which color is closed? Red one. Good job. You have to open and close every sentence. So remember our rule? Open and close every sentence. Say it with me.
Open and close every sentence.
Good job. Put your pen over here. We're going to use that later. Thank you. Open and close every sentence. One more time.
Open and close every sentence.
Good job. That was so fast. Good job. All right. So we said that you have to open and close every sentence because sentences is kind of like a house. And we practiced our rule. Now why? Why do we have to open and close every sentence? What's the point anyway? What do you think?
So that animals don't get in it.
Yeah, that's why you close the front door. So we have to open and close our sentences so that we know when we start a new thought and we end a new thought. So sentences have a structure. They have to have a beginning and an end. And so when you open with a capital, that means you're beginning your sentence. And when you close it, eyes on me, Knox. Look, when you close your sentence, so go like this with your hands, open and close every sentence. Good job. That's how we know your thought ends, right? So, we're going to review our vocabulary really quickly, okay? Remember our punctuation marks. I have them hiding under here. Under my notes is our punctuation marks. Do you remember these from yesterday? The punctuation marks? We have, which one's a period? Nice. Which one's a question mark? In the middle. And which one, the exclamation point? There. So that's how we close the door, the red door. You flicked them? Yeah, just like last time. You flicked them. Oops. You want to flick them again? So, period. Show me period. Question mark. Exclamation point. Nice job. All right, have a seat.
You want that good?
Ooh, exclamation point. Question mark. Period. All right, good job. Have a seat. Very good help, student. Thank you. All right, so you already know what a sentence is. Remember what a sentence is? A sentence is a complete set of words that completes a thought. It's a whole thought. So we open it with a what? Remember what we open with? Open with a capital, close with a period. Yeah, close with a period. Sit up in your chair so you don't fall down.
With a lowercase.
Lowercase, yeah, we don't have to capitalize the end. We just open with a capital, end with a period, right? We're going to keep practicing that rule. And we already know what a sentence is, a period, a question mark, and an exclamation point.
Hey, you should put a period, you should put a period right
this
there
page?
and right there.
Oh, if that was a sentence, yes, open, close. It could be a sentence like close the door. That could be a sentence, right? Good job. A sentence is a set of words that is complete. So a sentence is a complete set of words, right? Now, a period is a dot. Look at me, Knox. A period is a dot. Remember the dot, your eyeball? Your dot that ends the thought. That's what a period is, right? And you remember the question mark looks like a hook. What does a question mark look like?
Hook.
A pirate's hook. And what does the exclamation point look like? Do you remember? Which one's exclamation point? This one? This one or this one? You gonna flick it? Okay, come show me which one's exclamation point. Yay, good job. Have a seat, student, good job. Okay, today we will only focus on Opening with a capital and closing with a period. Do your hands with me. Open, close with a period. Now sit up straight like a good student, ready to learn. You can sit on your knees and be ready to learn, okay? So period is a dot that ends the thought. For example, a sentence is I ran. Start with what? Open and close every sentence. So how do we open it?
Capital and close with a period.
Good job.
Or
Open
question mark.
Or that other one.
Or this one.
Exclamation point. Good job. All right. Have a seat again. We're going to start doing some writing in a minute and you're going to help me, okay? So, are you ready? Sit up, student. All right. So, we are going to do this together. We're going to do the rule, opening and closing our sentences. Open.
Open and close every sentence.
Yes, and open with a capital and close with a
period.
Okay, help me. We're going to open with a green. So, what's our first step? We need our steps. Our steps are right here. First, we look at the sentence. We look. So, let's look at the beginning. And then, so we look and we see a sentence, a set of words, right? Then we look at the beginning, right? Then we open the door. How do we open the sentence? With a
capital.
Open and close every sentence with a capital. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to cross off the lowercase m. We're going to put a capital M. Can you draw me a capital M? Right on top, right in front. Write a capital M. Open and close every sentence. Nice job. What a good helper. Okay, now my turn. Let me demonstrate a little bit more. I'm going to close every sentence with a period, a dot that ends the thought. Now let's do a couple more together. My turn. Oh, Corey is my neighbor. Corey is your neighbor. Let's cross off the lowercase. Make a capital C for Corey. Corey is my neighbor. What did I forget?
Period.
A period. Okay. Open and close every sentence. Open with a
Capital
and
close.
with a period. Good job. Now let's see. I'll demonstrate again. Green pen, capital T. We have to take the lowercase off, add a capital, and with a red period because we open the door with a capital. We close with the period. Good job. Let's try this
What
one.
does this say?
The cow is black. Capital T. The cow is black. We ended with a period, right? Let's start this one. The cow is black. Good job. Let's try this one. My dad is tall. We have to open with a capital. Uh-oh, I didn't remember my capital. I have to open with a capital and close with a period. I'm going to do one more and then it'll be, this is the ones we do together, okay? One more. Mom is kind. I have to open, oops, wrong color, green to open. Capital M because it says open and close every sentence. So open with the capital, close with the period. Okay, so it's going to be your turn. That was we do now. Let's have Knox do it. Okay, this one says, I love you. So how do we open with a capital? Do you know how to make a capital? Green, open. Make a capital I.
Oh.
Cross off your lowercase.
How about we
First
do
we
this?
have to look. I see a sentence. Look at the beginning. Good job. You're making a capital I. Then after we look
How
at the
about we,
beginning.
cross off that like that.
Yeah, you don't even have to cross it off. You just drew the I right on top. That's perfect. Look, it says I love you. Then how do we end? How do we close it? Oh, let's close with red. Close every sentence with a
So
period. Green for open door.
Green is for red, green.
Right, because green for open, red for close. Close with a period. Nice job. It says
That's
I
a
love
tiny
you.
one.
Tiny dot. Now it says my dad is tall. How do we open with the capital? Here's a green pen. Open with the capital. Cross off It says we
How about
first
I just
look.
do this?
Yep, we have a sentence and then we cross it off. We make a capital. Perfect. Now how do we end with a punctuation mark? Open and close every sentence. Punctuation. Remember these? Period, question mark, or exclamation point. We're going to say open and close. We're going to open with a capital and close with a period. So how do you make a period? Oh, you want yours to have an exclamation point. Okay. My dad is tall. You're saying that in strong feelings. Say, my dad is tall.
My dad is tall.
That's right. All right, let's see if we can do this one. My dog barks. Start with green pen. Open and close every sentence. So how do we open it? I see a sentence. I look at the beginning. I open the door. I change the first letter to a capital. Then I look at the end of the sentence. How do I close the door? Use red to close the door. Do I add a period, question mark, or exclamation point? And with a period, huh? Or are you going to do a question? Like, does my dog bark? That could be a question, yes. I like how you opened with a capital and you ended with a punctuation mark or a period. Good job, Noxie. Okay, should we try one more? Let's try one more sentence. This is a harder one. We'll do it together. Knox goes to the store. Look. Do you see a capital there at the beginning? Here, use this pen. Do you see a capital at the beginning? Capital K for Knox. Draw a capital K right on top for me. Open the door. Open and close every sentence. Open with the capital. Close with the period. Perfect. Okay. Knox goes to the store. So what do we close it with?
Close it like that.
Oh, you like an exclamation point. Knox goes to the store. That's right. Can you say Knox goes to the store? Knox goes to
I
the
need
store.
to do a Knox.
You trying to write Knox?
Go.
Knox
Goes
to the store. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 words. Good job. Nice job. Okay, let's write one more sentence. My dog barks. Barks. What do I do to open? Oh no, let's do this one again. What do we do to open and close it? So open and close every sentence. Open with the what? What's that called?
Capital.
Open with capital, close with a exclamation point. You like that one because your dog barks loud. Let's try another one. My car is, let's say it's blue. I think it's really gray, but we're going to say my car is blue. How do we open with a
My
cap?
car is silver.
Silver? Okay. How do you open? We open with a nice job. What letter is that? Is it a capital or lowercase?
It's all messed up because I messed up.
That's okay, but it's a capital. Good job. And then how do we close every sentence? Open and close every sentence. What do we close it with? Ooh, that's a big period. That's a big dot. Okay. Nice job, Knox, and you are all done.